Hello, I am Dr. KK Mishra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on insurance and risk management. This is part 3rd. Question number 1. If RMIS has the problem of incompatibility of software, then the remedy is to provide dash a solid vendor account team. B. Internal access to the system expert. C. Clear and comprehensive specifications. D. Financial check. Correct option is C. Clear and comprehensive specifications. 2. To avoid MIS being obsolete, provide dash a solid vendor account team. B. Internal access to the system expert. C. Standard software configuration. D. Clear and comprehensive specifications. Correct option is C. Standard software configuration. 3. The process of reducing the level of risky activities firstly affect the frequency of losses is the strategy of dash A. Risk avoidance. B. Retention. C. Hedging. D. Other contractual risk transfer. Correct option is A. Risk avoidance. 4. Which of the statements is correct? A. Insurance is a transfer of risk mechanism. B. Insurance gives physical protection to assets. Now, here options are A. Statement A. B. Statement B. C. Both the statements. D. Neither of these statements. The correct option is A. Statement A is correct. 5. A complete proposal form contains information about A. Moral hazard. B. Physical hazard. C. Personal history of proposer and identify the property insurance. D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Physical hazard. 6. This policy covers all risks to the ship and its cargo while the ship is at a particular port. Dash A. Voyage policy. B. Floating policy. C. Time policy. D. Port risk policy. Correct option is D. Port risk policy. 7. As policy matures on the assured death or and on his attainment of a particular age, whichever occurs earlier. A. Endowment. B. Money back. C. Joint life. D. Single premium. Correct option is A. Endowment. 8. Assignment of life policy means dash A. Transferring rights to the assignee. B. Policyholder is entitled to the paid up value. C. Paid up value is always higher than surrender value. D. Value payable on assured death or maturity. Here correct option is A. Transferring rights to the assignee. 9. Risk insured against death is a contract of dash A. Assurance. B. Agreement. C. Indemnity. D. Caveat emptor. Here correct option is A. Assurance. 10. The risk which arises because of change in major economic, social, cultural and political factors are dash A. Particular risk. B. Fundamental risk. C. Speculative risk. D. Dynamic risk. Correct option is B. Fundamental risk. 11. If the premium loading is 0, then purchasing insurance dash A. Does not change the person's expected wealth. B. Changes the person's expected wealth. C. Increases the variability of wealth. D. No change in expected wealth. Here correct option is A. Does not change the person's expected wealth. 12. When an event is stated to be possible, it has a probability between dash A. 0 and 1. B. 0 or 1. C. None. D. Both. Correct option is A. 0 and 1. 13. Insurance cover dash A. Protect assets. B. Prevents loss. C. Reduces the impact of loss. D. Insurance's immortality. Correct option is C. Reduces the impact of loss. 14. Taylor Tobacco Company is concerned that the company may be held liable in a court of law and forced to pay a large damage award. The characteristics of the judicial system that increase the frequency and severity of losses is known as dash A. Moral hazard. B. Particular risk. C. Speculative risk. D. Legal hazard. Here correct option is D. Legal hazard. 15. Bank insurance means dash A. Selling financial services. B. General liability insurance. C. Selling banking products. D. Selling insurance products. Correct option is D. Selling insurance products. 16. Credit risk is high in case of dash A. Companies. B. Partnership. C. Financial institutions. D. None. Here correct option is C. Financial institutions. 17. A bank insurance concept originated in dash A. England. B. Finland. C. France. D. Spain. Correct option is C. France. 18. The insurance is a dash a contract. A. B. Uncertainty. C. Peril. D. Hazard. Correct option is A. contract. 19. Losses arising due to a risk exposure retained or assured is known as dash A. Risk reduction. B. Risk financing. C. Risk retention. D. Risk sharing. Correct option is C. Risk retention. 20. An alternative approach to the checklist is dash A. Threat analysis. B. Event analysis. C. Operability study. D. Minimum level analysis. Correct option is A. Threat analysis. 21. The measures aimed at avoiding, eliminating, or reducing the chances of lost production is covered by dash A. Risk control. B. Risk retention. C. Risk avoidance. D. Risk financing. Your correct option is A. Risk control. 22. Insurance is best suited to risk with dash A. High frequency and low loss severity. B. Low frequency and high loss severity. C. Minimum frequency and low loss severity. D. High frequency and high loss severity. Correct option is B. Low frequency and high loss severity. 23. The risk manager may be able to identify the new ventures involved in dash A. Pure risk. B. Group risk. C. Speculative risk. D. Particular risk. Correct option is A. Pure risk. 24. An instrument by which a pure risk is transferred by a party other than the insurer is A. Insurance. B. Retention. C. Non-insurance transfer. D. Reinsurance. Here correct option is C. Non-insurance transfer. 25. The person whose risk is insured is called A. Insured. B. Merchandiser. C. Marketeer. D. Agents. Correct option is A. Insured. 26. That which is designed to improve the information on which decisions are taken to reduce risk is dash A. Transfer. B. Research. C. Costs. D. Deflation. Here correct option is B. Research. 27. Uncertain events are broadly classified as dash A. Predictable and unpredictable. B. Possible and impossible. C. Natural and artificial. D. Rare and continuous. Correct option is A. Predictable and unpredictable. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, R Classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.